Hello everyone, and welcome back to my LaTex tutorial series. And in last video, we have so that how to make section, subsection, how to add title, author's name, and date. And in today's video, we are going to learn two very important things, that how to create lists and tables in LaTeX. So these two factors help you organize your content neatly and make your documents look more professional and readable. So first we saw that how to create lists in LaTeX. Well, lists are used when you want to organize information in bullet points or in a numbered format. So there are mainly two type of list in LaTeX. Itemized is to means bulleted and enumerated is to means number. So let's begin. For that we need to start our LaTeX file, and this is the last video file. This is the last LaTeX file that we have. So, and in this we can proceed further. So firstly, that how to make a bullet list, we use to itemize environment. That so that we start with begin, take itemize, then enter, and it automatically, sometimes it automatically catches the and statement, or sometimes it doesn't catch the and statement, so we can write that and statement, and in between these we can write our points, like first point, then write item for next point, like second point, whatever, how many points we need to make, then just simply enter and type item and your point. So just simply compile, and this will see here first point and second point, this is bulleted. Okay, and if we wanted to make nested list, means one list inside another, then how to make that? Like if we want to make this our main point, so so first we need to make main, and after that we need to make some subpoints. So again, main, itemize, ITMIZE, then it again catches. So in between we'll write our subpoints, like subpoints. Another one is item, subpoint. Okay, so compile. See, this is our main point bulleted, and this is our sub point. So the slash can be defined before them. So after that, if we want a numbered point instead of bullets, use the enumerate environment, like begin in curly brackets, just simply write enumerate, then it automatically catches the end statement and write here step one, the item, second point, then like item, third point, and then just compile. So like this, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So like this, we can just make our bulleted points and number point. This is all about lists, and now let's move on to the second part. That is tables, which helps you to present data neatly. So tables are essentially when you want to present data, comparisons, or structured information in a clean format. So for that, LaTeX uses the tabular environment to create tables. So here is a simple and example. Just simply write it again. First, I will write complete example and then I will explain it to you. Tabular is to make table, and then C, again C, again C, and line. Then H line, then header 1 and header 2 and header 3. Double backslash, H line, then enter row 1 and data 1 and let's also, this is data 1, then data 2, double backslash, and in row 2, and write our data 3 and data 4, double backslash, and then again line, and we need to add our table. For that we can write and tabular, enter, and tabular. So see now, see these C single slash straight line, C straight line, C is to means creates 3 column each center. This straight line means columns, and C is to means center. C stands for center, and straight line adds vertical line between columns. So the H line adds vertical line between columns. Okay, and that and is to means that it separates columns. Okay, and double slash is to means and the row. Okay, now you can just simply compile and see our table is ready. Okay, is there any doubt? So you can comment. And then if you want to make your table look more professional, and can wrap it in a table environment and add a caption and label, like table 1, and this is the heading for the table, like a pointer, this is what we need to make. So for that we can just simply write begin table, then H. This H represents here, sometimes the table goes up and down on the page, but if you want a specific for specific area, like after the literature review, after the introduction, so we can just draw right here and just simply put H. Okay, then if we want our table in center, then put centering, then for caption, write caption, what whatever your caption is, like sample data table. Then begin here, from here's onward our table begins, like our data, what data we want to add in our table. Tabular, for column we just straight line, C straight line, how like how many columns you want to make, just keep writing straight line C, straight line C. Okay, then H line, H line is for what is for horizontal line. Okay, then A, and is for separate column. After that H line, again we want, this is our first line, so we want to make some points, then 1 and 2, double line. Here also we need double backslash. After that 3 and 4, double slash, then H line, H line. Okay, then we need to add our table. First we need to add our tabular format, tabular, and then end table. Okay, but this didn't run. Let's see, it gives add, that H is to means float, so we need to mention some like more upgradation points. Like for H we need to write float, so use package float. Now it will run perfectly. Wait, see, this table is not in center. Why? Because we did not mention here center, but let's see, we mention here is center, so this is in center. Okay, caption, sample data table, table 1, table 1, table 2, it automatically catches. Begin table, A and B is the main heading, 1 2 3 4 is our subpoint. So okay, and for more, if Like if you want to control column width automatically, so just add here one more package, use package, uh, tabular X, and also if you want to give clean table lines, then for that, right, use package book tabs, okay, and then just simply combine. So in this, sometimes these packages uses, okay, but otherwise this will run frequently. So that's how you can create list and table in LaTeX. We learned how to make bullets, bullet points, number points, and how to design table with borders, alignments, and captions. So this is for all today's video. In next video, we will explore how to insert images and figures in LaTeX to make your document more visible and engaging. So thank you.